How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a short video, but an additional start to another build series nonetheless. So let's take a look at what we've got going on today. As you can see, I've got Abel all ready to go. We're going to take a little road trip, about 100 miles one way and another 100 miles back, and we're going to go pick something up. Stay tuned. Well, guys, we're somewhere. We're out in the Dalles at Fun Country Powersports, I think is what it's called. Yeah. So I gotta wait for them to open, and then we're gonna head inside and pick something up. They're getting my bike ready right now. I'm having them put different tires on it because my Norden needs new tires and they match the bike that I'm purchasing. So I'm having them put some off-road tires on the bike that I'm purchasing. A lot of orange in here. Well, there we are, guys. You got everything loaded up. I will cover more in detail what they did to the bike once I get home. If you guys are looking for a great deal on a KTM, Fun Country Powersports is a really good dealership. They don't do additional dealership markup. At least they didn't for me on this bike. And the deal actually got better when I came in versus what they were quoting me over the phone. So pretty excited about that. Anyhow, let's get headed home. Well, as you can see, guys, we made it home safe and sound. In the next video, I'll be talking about some of the things I had them do before I picked up the bike, and we'll start adding some modifications to the bike. But for right now, I'll just tell you it's a 2024 KTM 790 Adventure. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.